What's up, everyone? This is Ricardo Raquelme. Welcome to Average Tech User Reviews. So people usually ask me, Ricardo, what's the best camera to buy? And I just relay some information that I hear from famous YouTubers all the time. The best camera is the one that's consistently in your pocket with you at the time to catch those moments. With smartphones becoming even more popular, more powerful, the possibilities are endless. So with that being said, what are some of the flaws of a smartphone camera? Well, one of the major flaws is the stabilization. With the camera housings as small as they are, stabilization has come a long way since, let's say, 2010, but they can still get a lot better. People with shaky hands, or even if you're not that shaky and you're moving, the stabilization just does not hold up that well, even though phones like the Galaxy Note Ultra 20, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, or 11 Pro for that matter, the Pixel 4a are handling stabilization way better than ever before. But one way to take your phone to the next level is a gimbal. So with the DJI MO4 coming upon us, I thought it would be fun to look at a gimbal, some call it smart stabilizers, that might be a little less expensive, and see how it can hold up when I get my DJI MO4. Let's get to it. So I wanted to check a gimbal that's just slightly south of 100 at $99.99. You could probably catch it on sale for about 80 bucks. But I wanted to see how good this bad boy would be. So today we are going to unbox the Joby Smart Stabilizer. So let's see what this box entails. Let's open it up. Yeah, I'm not a fan of Joby per se, but I heard some good things about it, though the reviews is averaging about 3.5 from what I see on Google. Man, let me tell you, nobody does packaging like Apple, right? Apple has the tabs that you just peel. That's always a good touch. Alright, so after the box, we have a carrying case. Oh, this is really nice. Very, very, very nice. So let's see what we have in this carrying case. So inside the carrier case, we have the quick setup guide. We have a little box here. Let's see what's in this box. I would assume it's probably a charger, some type of charger. Nope, it's a little tripod. Okay, so this is nice. It's a little tripod that you could just sit right there and works out, holds up the gimbal, and take it from there. See what's on this side. Okay, so it has a bunch of different adapters. They're dealing with the phone that you have. See what type of adapters come with this. So it looks like we have macro USB to lightning, macro to macro, and macro to USB-C. Now this, I would imagine, is the actual charging cable. Which is macro. It's a shame. I wish people switched to USB-C. USB-C is definitely here now, and I think think more people really need to get on board with USB-C. Faster, more reliable, reversible. Even Apple with the Lightning technology is just so old right now. Always having to get the next dongle, the next adapter. You know, I find myself having to constantly use different things just to connect my iPhone to a dongle or to a specific accessory. Alright, so got all that. This seems to be the instruction manual. Yep. Instruction manual, operation modes. And here is the Joby. Very nice. Has decent build quality. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Oh, I forgot one thing. Let's see what this is right over here. Door number 3, please. Drum roll. Some sort of... Okay, so it's a lanyard, so that way you don't drop your phone and the gimbal at the same time. Good touch. Good packaging. So, thank you for watching the unboxing. I will get with everyone on my initial reviews. Stay tuned. If you like what you see, hit like, subscribe, share. Remember, there's nothing wrong with average.
Oh, no, babe.